to the little Gasthaus. This time we make some bread. Actually it's buns, the German hard buns. The problem is the flour, it's different everywhere, so you have to really try some or make some testing on which flour is the best for your purpose. I will show you my way of making German buns, hard buns. We only need a few things for this bread. That's flour 550, American equal should be bread flour. We got a little bit of the malt flour. It might be a little bit more hard to get. Okay, first thing we do, we crumble the fresh yeast into the lukewarm water. And we put the sugar in the middle, 1 teaspoon. Add a quarter of the yeast, 2 teaspoons, no, 1.5 teaspoon of salt on the outside around. And now we let it sit there for a couple minutes to activate with the flour and the sugar. We add the rest of the yeast mixture. Need some margarine or butter. It's about 35 grams. Okay. Well, you don't need to have it on the gram, but you know the direction. And now we have to put it in the machine and get it kneaded for a while. Okay, the kneading machine. Got so we're gonna do that for 10 minutes at low speed. Pretty sticky. Put a little flour around, not too much. We're going to stretch it, fold it. And now we put it back into the bowl. And we're going to let it sit there for about 10 minutes. We cover it so it's not going to dry out too much. Okay, now we put it back in the machine and give it another 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes. We're gonna put it back on the table. Again, a little bit flour. Not too much. We don't want too much flour in there. Like I said, it's pretty sticky. You don't want the pebbles in there. Okay, again, stretch it and turn it over. And also from the sides. turn it like this to the inside. Give it a little tension on the outside. Yeast is still working in the bowl. And let it rise till it's double that size. Probably takes about 30 minutes. Might be going up to 40, but it should, don't let it go too far or too short. Depends on temperature and quite a few things. But you have to check it once in a while, how far it's rising. Okay, this is 45 minutes, no, it's 35 minutes about. And you can see it's up quite a bit. It's a lot softer now. You can see there are bubbles in there from the yeast. Again, stretch it, fold it. Put it again in the middle. Roll it a little bit. And what it looks like. And now get your scale. Of about 90 grams. And now we got one part that's very important. The first way you can do it's put it all the way in there. To get tension on the outside. This size goes on the baking sheet. And another way to do that, flatten it out, put it together. And then you're gonna turn it. You push it with your thumb like that. Oh, wow. And then you get the ball. And that with that side, put it on the baking sheet. Got 9. You might get 10 out of it if you make them exactly the right size. Okay, now we have to cover them and let them sit there for another 10 minutes. I have to do without the microphone, the extended. So it's 30 minutes instead of 10 minutes. Make cuts. And now they're ready for the oven. There's some special. We need some boiling water. Heat it up in the microwave for 3 minutes so the water is hot. You take a stainless steel pan and put it with the water on the bottom of the baking oven. Almost a cup. Be careful not burning yourself. And put it on the bottom of the baking oven. Put the buns on the low level, and you need some condensed water, spray bottle. Spray the buns. Get wet and spray some on the bottom. So you got a lot of steam. Close the door and let them be in there for about 20 minutes. And then they should be ready. They start to get brown, so we're going to turn the temperature down to about 200 degrees Celsius for the rest of the time, so they're not getting burned on the top. Okay, time to take them out. Very careful, they're hot. So oh, I guess they look nice. We take them off the tray so they can cool down. They look good. So you notice they are cracked on the bottom. This is because we don't have a hot air oven. This is only top and bottom heat, and it's not hot enough from the bottom, so that's not baked as good as the top. If you bake them, keep the temperature at 250 and make it 25 minutes, at least at my oven. If you got a hot air oven, it might be okay with 20 minutes. Thanks for watching the Little Gasthaus baking German hard buns. Give me a thumb up if you liked it, and I'll see you next time in the Little Gasthaus. Bye bye.